Hey, fellow mathers. Before we get into this episode, we want to share with you how you can get access to free content, professional learning that will keep your students engaged and doing the math that matters. Get ready to go to this link, mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge.
That's right. Registration is open for the free Math is Figureoutable Challenge that's starting May 15th and runs to the 17th at 7 p.m. Central. We're going to have 3 nights jam packed with learning and routines that you can take straight to your classroom.
In these challenges, we have a great time. We do some math, talk about classroom experiences, give away super cool bonuses and prizes. You won't just walk away with routines that are naturally engaging and encourage your students to think mathematically. You'll also have a chance to win over 6K worth in prizes, including a few virtual PD sessions for your school. I'll be joined by my wonderful co-host Kim and special guest Jenna Labe.
You can register at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge for a fantastic learning experience. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Now on to the show.
Hey, fellow mathematicians, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode. Math Strat Chat is where every Wednesday evening I throw out a math problem on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all the social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use. We love seeing everyone's thinking.
We sure do. So this Wednesday, our problem was 3,618 minus 2,412. And we're wondering, how would you solve this problem? Pause the podcast, solve it however you'd like. The problem was 3,618 minus 2,412. Solve it, and then let's listen to how we solve it.
Okay, Kim. I want to do your thing.
Okay.
So I've been having fun trying to see problems the way that you saw one a couple episodes ago.
Okay.
All right. So I'm looking at 3,618 and 2,412.
Yeah.
And I'm seeing 3,600 and 2,400.
Mm-hmm.
And those feel like 12s to me. So I can just almost see 2 12s and 3 12s means I'm left over with one 1,200. So I literally wrote down 12 underneath. So I actually line these up vertically, which some people might like, oh, Pam, how dare you line them up vertically? Y'all, it's not about how they look, vertical, horizontal. It's about what you then do with the relationships. And so what I'm going to do with the relationships is think about that 3,600 minus the 2,400 is 1,200. Then I just got 18 minus 12 left over because the numbers were 3618, 2412. So the 18 tacked on and the 12 tacked down. 18 minus 12 is 6. So my final answer is 1,206. 1,206. Bam.
So I know we've been talking about kind of thinking about how many hundreds in the number. But for this one in particular, I was actually thinking about the number of tens in the number. So
wait. What?
Tens. So
tens.
3,618 has 361 tens.
Sure enough.
And then 241 tens in the other one. So I thought about kind of if I was thinking about tens, I was thinking about 361 minus 241, the number of tens. And I got 120 tens, which is 1,200. And then I did the last 8 minus 2, which is 6. So
and 1,206 is 1,200. Sorry, I just got excited, so I finished your. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah. So you were thinking about hundreds in the number, and I was thinking about tens in the number.
Sure enough.
Yeah.
So I'm also aware that now that I'm looking kind of back at the work I just wrote down for you, that we also could have thought of these as 3,000 minus 2,000 is 1,000. 600 minus 400 is 200. 10 minus 10 is 0, and 8 minus 2 is 6. And I would have thought about 1,206, again, going greatest to smallest, right? It's only the algorithm that kind of forces us to go smallest to biggest, right to left. We now that we're all kind of thinking about numbers and relationships and magnitude, I always look at the big numbers first. Cool. Nice problem.
Yeah. All right. So we can't wait to see what your strategy is. I wonder if it was like one of ours. Represent your thinking, take a picture of your work or screenshot it on your phone and tell the world on social media. Help us spread the word. And while you're there, check out what other people did and comment on their thinking.
Yeah, and tag me on Twitter at @PWHarris or Instagram, PamHarris_math, Facebook, Pam Harris, author, mathematics education, and use the hashtag MathStratChat. And then check out the next Math Strat Chat problem that we'll post Wednesday somewhere around 7 p.m. Central Time, and then pop back here to hear how we're thinking about the problem. Y'all, thanks for joining us as part of the Math is Figureoutable movement, and keep spreading the word that math is figureoutable. Thank you for listening and making math more figureoutable.
To learn even more, make sure you register for our free challenge at mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. You are not going to want to miss the evenings of May 15th through 17th, starting at 7 p.m. Central.
Math teaching, go register now. That's mathisfigureoutable.com/challenge. Join us to make math more and more figureoutable. And if you can't join live, register and we'll send you access to the recordings. We'll see you there.